Welcome to another great investment opportunity with Cretan Properties Limited. We present to you Tesi River Gardens in Rumuruti. Among one of the best features of this project, it's located 5 kilometers from Rumuruti town along Rumuruti Nanyuki Road, which makes it easier to access because anybody or anyone can walk or drive to the project. Why should you invest in this project? One, it has a permanent river, has a permanent dam. It's ideal for farming, ideal for settlement and hospitality industry as well. I'll walk you through Rumuruti town. Have this in mind. The headquarters of Laikipia County are in Rumuruti. As you can see, the newly constructed county assembly, meaning it is the town of the future, which has also ventured in hotels and into 200 million meat processing plant that supplies meat to major towns in the country such as Nyahururu, Nanyuki, Thika, Kiambu, making it fast growing town, hence more reasons to invest. As earlier mentioned, your future investment land is just 5 kilometers from Rumuruti town along the C503 road towards Nanyuki. It is exactly 5,600 acres and it's subdivided into 3 portions. The first portion is on the lower side of Nanyuki Rumuruti road and it's exactly 835 acres. The second portion is on the other side on it and it's exactly 1,000 acres, LR number 3264. And the third portion is 4,200 acres on the other side of the river. River Pesi, it's a permanent river in this land and it flows from Aberdares Hills joining Garo River. This land borders Gigi Kariuki Farm and on the other side Kifuko Farm, and then there is Thome Settlement and Matingari Mutara Farm. When it comes to farming, as you can see, we have ongoing cultivation in preparation for tomato farming. Now, this is at a later stage where the tomatoes have already grown, ready for harvest. But apart from that, we have other major crops as well, e.g. avocados, maize, French beans, trees, etc. And there is really a large market of all of them here. KTDA, large and small scale farmers, this is the place to be. Come and join us. For just 500,000 Kenya shillings, you get yourself an acre of a land in this project. Just 500,000 Kenya shillings, you get yourself an acre of land in this prime project. We do have a flexible payment plan where you deposit 60% of the cash price, which is 300,000 Kenya shillings, and you pay the balance in 24 months. You just deposit 60% of the cash price, then the rest of the money you pay in 300 Kenya shillings, which you will be paying 8,000 monthly. Come and invest with us. Thank you so much for watching this video and welcome to Cretan Properties Limited Tesi River Gardens project.